우리는 국제 커플
인형
이마뉴엘입니다.
Welcome to another video at KSTYLEYO. If you're interested in learning Korean language and culture, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so that you don't miss anything. Today is another video of the same series, Teaching Emmanuel Korean. Last time we did a placement test and he got the result of
Beginner.
So today I'm gonna teach him some basic be verbs and how to use descriptive verbs. Let's get started!
Let's do this.
So I just wanna backtrack on what he said in the last video. I am Emmanuel. So can you say that phrase just one more time?
No, that's pretty dry, sorry. 저는 이마뉴엘입니다.
Okay, here. So what is the be verb here?
니다.
Nida is be verb. How about in?
I guess the whole thing.
What?
입니다. 이마뉴엘입니다.
Okay, so I think he's struggling a little bit
To say
because
it?
yeah, because he is pronouncing B. 입니다, right?
입니다. 이마뉴엘입니다.
Okay, let me
입니다.
Okay, let me correct. You're not supposed to say B here, even though it's written as B for ip, right? But you don't say 입니다. It's hard to say. B sound is actually becomes N. 입니다.
입니다.
저는 이마뉴엘입니다.
저는 이마뉴엘입니다.
Okay, so what is be verb in English? How many be verbs types do you have?
Be, am, is, are.
That's correct. And be verb, this is the infinitive form. So like you said, based on the subject noun in English, you're gonna pick am for I, is for she, is for he, are for we and they, etc. Right?
Damn, you got all these down.
But I like to tell you, in Korean, we don't have such things. We don't care about what the subject noun is, but we have different things for formality. So what is be verb as infinitive form in Korean? So when I say infinitive, it's like the dictionary form.
있다.
아니요.
아니야?
있다 is to have or exist. 이다. Without last consonant. 이다. So 이다 is be verb in dictionary form. 입니다 is formal be verb. 이에요. That's polite.
It's a good way to be.
And 예요 is also polite. I know I'm making you so confused right now, right?
I know all about yayo.
Please! 이에요 and 예요 both are polite because they end with yo.
Yo.
But whatever the object noun ends with. So your name is Emmanuel, right? So
correct.
it ends with what?
With a consonant.
Consonant. So you can say,
Yayo.
yeah, that's it. Emmanuel이에요. This is 차, which is T.
Vowel.
It ends with a vowel, so
예요.
yeah, 차예요.
차예요.
That's it.
차예요.
But if you want to say this in casual, how would you say that? It ends with a consonant, your name.
이마누엘.
Emmanuel이야.
야.
이야.
야. 이마누엘이야.
So 차 ends with a vowel, so you're gonna say 야.
차야.
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 이것은 차야. This is tea. We got the be verb foundation out of the way. Now I'm gonna teach you.
I've already done learned this shit. Sorry.
Now I'm gonna teach you how to use descriptive words. When I say descriptive words, what do you think of?
Words that elucidate details about something.
Okay, so if I say, can you say a descriptive word for this tea?
Yes, it's translucent and it's green and it is full of antioxidants.
What temperature?
It's cool.
It's cool. So there are many descriptive verbs. That's correct. That's right.
Nice.
But use a be verb in English.
It is cool. It is translucent. It is green. Everything is.
But we just learned be verb in Korean. Can you use those Korean be verbs to make descriptive words?
Maybe. If I know the adjective.
Oh, okay. If you know the adjective, I can tell you cool adjective.
Yeah.
시원한.
시원한이에요.
Okay. So 이 차는
이 차는
okay.
시원한이에요.
시원한이에요. That's very wrong.
Why is it always like this?
He got into the trap
Trap. The K trap?
that most of my students got into. You cannot say in Korean beaver with adjective. It's only with object noun.
Oh.
If you want to say to be cool, you need to find the verb that says to be cool.
Okay.
So one verb includes be verb and adjective in Korean. This is very important. So 시원하다,
시원하다.
that is to be cool. So you don't need to know adjective. You don't need to know be verb. 시원하다 means to be cool. So you need to conjugate the verb.
해요?
Exactly.
Yeah.
So
차, 이 차?
이 차는
이 차는 시원하예요.
okay.
이 차는 시원해요.
That's it. So okay, so you got that foundation.
Oh, it's so efficient in Korean.
Now I'm gonna quiz you. I'm gonna give one word, and you need to tell me a descriptive word in English.
Okay.
And then we figure out how we can make a sentence. Kimchi.
Pungent.
What is it?
Having a very particular emanated odor, pervasive.
Okay, can you just make
Imposing.
one
Simple as
Fermented.
and fermented.
You pick kimchi.
BTS.
BTS. Crap music. I would.
Oh no! Please, we're losing subscribers. Oh, please.
I don't know. Makeup wearing to be popular.
Oh, okay, that's good one. Be popular. Korean girls.
Very pretty.
Oh, wow. So we gave some subscriber from South Korean girls now. How about Kim Jong-un? Let's not be political. Parasite movie.
Funny.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you just one last thing. Korean chicken.
Oh, crispy.
Okay, crispy. Let's do crispy.
Just delicious.
So we have 5 different words paired with descriptive verbs. So we need to pick 3 out of these 5 because 5 might be too much for today's lesson for beginners.
For me.
Kimchi is fermented. BTS is popular. Korean girls are pretty. Parasite movie is funny. And Korean chicken is crispy. So, which one would you like to pick?
Korean girls.
Oh, shit.
And kimchi. I want to know how to say fermented. I can't remember how to say funny.
So, we picked the kimchi, Korean girls, and Parasite movie. And the other 2 sentences will be your homework. So, you're gonna look up the word fermented.
발효.
발효, right?
발효.
발효. But H is very difficult to pronounce. 발효. So H is almost silent. 발효.
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 So how'd you make that into a verb?
발효하다.
발효하다. If you add to do, 하다, it means you're fermenting something. But if you want to say kimchi is fermented, then you're gonna add 되다. 발효되다. So 김치는 is subject particle. 발효되다 is to be fermented. 발효됐어요. It has been fermented. That's why you use past tense. And then second one, Korean girls are pretty. How should you say Korean girls?
한국 여자.
Oh wow. And then add 들 for
들? Why?
들 is plural.
Oh,
한국
okay.
여자들.
한국 여자들.
한국 여자들은.
이뻐.
So what's the dictionary form?
다?
아니요.
이쁘다.
이쁘다.
이쁘다. Of course.
이쁘다. How to conjugate 이쁘다 to polite speech? So 이쁘다 vowel. becomes 어요.
어요.
한국 여자들은
한국 여자들은
이뻐요.
이뻐요.
So now the third one. Parasite is funny. You can look up the adjective funny.
이상형.
Oh, that's strange.
Humorous.
That's a Google translation.
Yeah. 재밌는.
재미있는.
재밌는.
But you, that's fun. It's not the same thing as funny though.
Well, how about hilarious? That's hilarious. 웃음.
That's closer.
웃음.
Maybe I'm gonna use the Naver Dictionary. That's the Google translation.
Come on, Google. 웃음.
우스운.
웃음. 웃기는.
And then 재미있는.
재미있는.
웃기는 is more like funny. But you need to be funny. You need verb. 웃기다. So you need verb 웃기다.
기다.
This is to be funny. Parasite movie. That's
Parasite 영화.
영화 기생충.
기생충.
영화 기생충. I like to use 영화 first. 영화, the movie 기생충, rather than Parasite movie.
It's like you're preparing everything. You're like announcing the entry of this movie's name.
기생충 영화 sounds like movies that are related to Parasite. But 영화 기생충 sounds like the movie Parasite. You know what I mean?
Parasite type movies
Yeah.
versus movie Parasite.
How would you convert this 웃기다 verb?
Is that a S?
Yeah.
But you're saying oop.
S as the last consonant of the syllable, you make sound of D. 웃. However, since it's followed by G,
You could just omit the D sound.
almost like omitting it,
But-
but G sounds stronger as double G. 웃기다. 웃기다 becomes 웃겨.
웃겨.
웃겨요. Polite ending.
웃겨요. That's super polite.
Now we have 3 sentences. We're not even gonna get to writing today because it's gonna take a long time. So let's just practice speaking. Starting with the first sentence, kimchi is fermented.
김치는 발효됐어요.
Okay. Korean girls are pretty.
Korean girls are pretty. 한국 여자들은 이뻐요.
Parasite movie is funny.
영화 기생충은 웃겨요.
Excellent. This is the first lesson sitting down. Did you learn something new today?
Yeah, I learned much. And I also have lots to review.
Oh wow. So how do you feel?
I feel hungry for kimchi and Korean girls. Funny movies.
So hopefully you enjoyed this video today. If you did, make sure to give it a like.
Subscribe.
If you have any questions, comment down below and don't forget to leave comment down below for your answers to the quizzes we asked you earlier, which are the 2 sentences of BTS is popular.
Korean chicken is crispy.
We'd love to see your answers. Then we'll see you guys next time. Bye
Bye-bye.
bye.